What is the value of the expression 50 divided by 5 over 3 multiplied by 6? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 5 over 3 multiplied by 6, which I have highlighted in yellow, because they think multiplication has priority over division. And they say it's easy to simplify the 6 with the 3 in the denominator and write this expression as 50 divided by 10, which finally gives them the answer 5. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule exactly as I've shown on the screen. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the expression 50 divided by 5 over 3. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. And F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 50 multiplied by 3 over 5. Now, the number 50 cancels out with the 5 in the denominator and this expression simplifies to 30 multiplied by 6, which finally gives us the answer 180. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.